The early 1900s in New York City, a time of change, a time of industry, and a time when a well-groomed beard became a symbol of the modern man. Men took pride in their appearance. Facial hair wasn't just hair, it was a statement. Enter the Wonderbeard factory. The factory floor buzzed with energy. Immigrants from all over found work at Wonderbeard. They were making history, one tin of beard balm at a time. Wonderbeard's products were innovative, their beard oil legendary. The marketing, pure genius. They even sponsored local baseball teams. Wonderbeard became a household name. The Great Depression hit factories like Wonderbeard hard. Men were struggling to put food on the table, let alone buy beard wax. Then came the war. Suddenly a clean-shaven face was the norm. Wonderbeard tried to adapt, but the magic was gone. New products, new trends. The world moved on. Today, the Wonderbeard factory stands silent. Windows are boarded up, walls are crumbling, nature is slowly taking over. But if you listen closely, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, the clatter of machinery, the laughter of workers. The legacy of Wonderbeard might be faded, but it's not forgotten. It's a reminder of a time when hard work and a bit of beard oil could make all the difference.